Bird weather.
Taking a live look at the Fort Hall webcam, and we're starting to see the snow come to an end in areas of the Snake River Plain. The snow is right now making its way to the east and to the southeast of the valley, and we're still getting some slick driving spots out there along the interstate. But things are looking still pretty rough as you're going into Utah right now. Also along Highway 30, working into areas closer towards Lava, Soda Springs, and down through Bear Lake County. And then further also along Highway 91, Franklin is still pretty much a mess through the Preston area, Franklin County, I should say. Here's a look right now at Viper. The snowy weather slowly moving out of the Snake River Plain, pushing into the mountains and the communities of western Wyoming. There's still more snow coming at us here from the west tonight, and later tonight through tomorrow we'll still have some leftover snow showers to get us in here for Friday. Another story though, it's the wind. The wind is also going to make for things a little bit slippery out there, because we're going to pick up on that blowing and drifting snow, and of course that blows back over the highways and then it turns into ice. So blowing and drifting snow concerns with us here, with gusty winds coming off of the cold front along the jet stream for this evening. Then as we get on the other side of that cold front, expect to see a big drop in the temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. But here's a look at Viper tonight. Over the next couple of hours, we're punching in some dry air into the Snake River Plain for the moment, and we could even see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow morning. Still some snow in areas of central Idaho and areas of far eastern Idaho and western Wyoming for tonight and tomorrow morning. There's that little bit of clearing I just mentioned. It's going to start to pop in there tomorrow morning. Hopefully maybe getting some sun on the roads out there, but it's still going to be awfully cold with that wind. Then as we get into Friday midday, we start to see some snow into areas around Idaho Falls and Blackfoot and Pocatello, mostly as you get closer to those benches on the eastern side of the plain, and quite a bit of snow still hitting into the far eastern mountains of Idaho. Friday around 5 o'clock, we start to push back on that snow and we begin the drying process for Saturday. High pressure working back in. It's going to take a while though before we start to see any pleasant weather, because it's going to be very cold here for the weekend. Here's a look at the Vipercast tonight through tomorrow. So we're going to add in another inch, possibly 1 to 2 inches here for tonight and tomorrow. We're pretty much done with the main snow event. The only snow that we really see tomorrow is the leftover pockets of snowfall, plus that wind picking up on the snow that's already falling. That's why we have a winter weather advisory through tonight and tomorrow morning, especially Idaho Falls north and east working into Wyoming. This is where we see a lot of that wind picking up on that dry snow and blowing it across the roadways. The dry powdery stuff, again, gets over the roadways, the cars run over it and turn it back into ice on the road. So that's what makes for a very slippery drive on some of those highways. Tonight on the Viper, like I mentioned, we're losing the snow, but we have more wind in the forecast. Cold air coming down along the jet stream here for Saturday as high pressure builds in around California. And then Sunday, we try to warm it up just a little bit with some sunshine, but it's quickly replaced with another system that's going to get in here for next week. A deep Pacific low out of the Gulf of Alaska will start sending snow back into the region by Tuesday. For this weekend, though, that cold air triggering a wind chill warning. Wind chills for Saturday morning, 20 to 30 below zero. Yeah, that's going to be a real bite to you as you step outside. 24 degrees in McCammon tomorrow, 22 in Lava, 25 in Preston, 23 in Montpelier, with highs at 19 in Jackson, 20 for Rexburg, a high of 19 in St. Anthony, 17 in Island Park. Arco is going to see a high of 17 as well, with a 0 tonight for the low. 4 tonight in Stanley with a high of 18 for tomorrow. And Idaho Falls will see a high of 23 with 25 on Pocatello. And yeah, more wind, making that wind chill just a bit colder. Jackson, your 8-day forecast. Highs getting into the teens tomorrow. Will be in the lower teens on Saturday. Partly sunny skies on Saturday with the frigid conditions. That snowy weather getting back in here for next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with temperatures actually warming back into the 30s. Salmon, you'll see a chance of some snow tonight and tomorrow with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Highs around 21 for Friday. Cold conditions on Saturday with a high of 17 and 30 degrees on Sunday, with the snow working back in by Monday afternoon. For the rest of the Snake River Plain in eastern Idaho, you'll see temperatures here at 24 degrees for Friday, 12 on Saturday for Blackfoot, high of 18 degrees on Sunday. We go to Rexburg with a high of 20 for tomorrow, 9 for the high on Saturday, with lows around 11 below zero Saturday morning. Partly mostly cloudy skies on Sunday with a high of 17. Snow working back in by Tuesday. Pocatello, your 8-day forecast. 25 degrees for tomorrow, 16 degrees for Saturday. Highs will be in the low 20s on Sunday, mid to upper 30s next week, with the snowy weather we're getting back in here and those gusty winds coming along for the ride. Idaho Falls, your 8-day forecast. Here we go. It's going to be a cold one. 23 degrees for tomorrow with a chance of some snow and more wind. The wind will continue for parts of Saturday with temperatures around 10. We'll expect to pick up on that snowy weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for next week, with highs rebounding back into the 30s. Our John Adams, Spirit of Idaho. Well,